All right, we've had a day already. We have brought the Pineapple Express to one of my best, oldest buddies, Tanner. He is the best welder I have ever known, come across, ever. Is the Lord and God of all things that weld. So I've brought him to fix the truck. I'm not sure if the full door on the back is going to stay where it's at or if he's going to move it in. He's putting the center, what are they? A little center platform, whatever, in the middle of it. So we're going to do that. We're going to take it to the driver farm tomorrow or a couple of days to do some vertical tanks with it and get as many freshwater ones as we can. So we're going to go over here. This is his favorite. This is one of my favorite places.
What are you doing?
I'm recording.
That's the dumbest thing I've ever seen. What is that?
It's you.
He's getting his OnlyFans ready.
Yeah, it's getting my OnlyFans ready. So we're going to get the...
You want my feet?
Well...
Can I take my boots off?
Which one's bigger, feet or... Anyway.
Feet. For sure. Toe?
Me too. Yeah, thumb.
Toe?
Anyway, so we're going to put the M30T in the air. We are apparently going to be doing some coyote hunting with it. And in Arkansas, in case you guys didn't know, like we can track deer, we can recover deer, all kinds of stuff with it. I've called game and fish. I could be wrong. So Tanner loves seeing this.
That son is making all kind of noises.
So
It's
this
country.
is, yeah, this is what you call a man's playground out here. We got us a couple boats, got us a classic G. What was that, a Chevy?
I will slap
I was talking about the Tahoe right here. I was talking about the Tahoe. We got a Bobcat, chickens. All right. Hey, where's y'all's pig at? Anyway, we got the man shop. So much fun. And dirt bikes. Quack. Pineapple Express. Where's y'all's pig? Tanner, where's y'all's pig at? Where's y'all's pig? Okay. Anyway, so this is the piece that's being welded onto the Pineapple Express. In the middle here, we're going to do some vertical tanks, mount our hose reel. Got a weather station up top. Got a pig over there. She's eating pecans. There's a pig. Whoop. Sorry guys, trying to figure out how to zoom on this thing. Here it goes. There's a pig. Come here, Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig. What you rooting around for? Come here. Come on. Come on, chunky butt. Come on, chunky butt. Come on, chunky butt. Hey, you gonna say hi to everybody? Oh, aren't you sweet girl? I know, you sweet girl. Anyway, we're about to launch the M30T up, and in Arkansas, we are still underwater so bad. So we're gonna put this up in the air. Up she goes. Got a little portable case here.
Good night.
And
Look how cool.
we're gonna get the thermal going, spotlight.
Send me pictures of the house from up there.
Yep. So I took some. If you want to go ahead and turn on the go ahead and get him some video too. There you go. Yep. And then I'll go ahead get his house, and then we'll do thermal. Zoom out on it. That's your laser rangefinder. You can turn it on too if you want.
So you can get the whole property.
The whole property.
I forget about the damn gimbal thing.
Yeah, you got switch her over. Don't you be jinxing us. Don't you jinx us.
That is awesome. All right, take a picture.
The biggie.
Look at us.
That's stupid.
There's a bigger one for it. push the SBS, do side by side at the top.
That's
Oh.
awesome.
Yeah,
Look
SBS.
at that.
Is it
Right
on
up there.
SBS? You might have to switch cameras to do SBS. Switch over to wide.
Okay.
Yeah, and hit SBS.
Look how beautiful that picture
You gotta
is,
go into
though.
thermal.
There it goes.
So you see it's picking up the transformer right there.
Oh wow, okay.
Off the,
We need to put a little better adhesive on that one. That keeps coming
yeah, I
apart.
know.
Look down that beach for a coyote. You'll see
Yeah,
some.
go over there, man. He's haunching and ponching to kill some coyotes. All right, guys, I'm gonna cut this video a little bit shorter than normal. Tanner's gonna be fixing the Pineapple Express for us tomorrow, and then we'll have our tanks mounted. Grayson's passed all of his tests. We'll start spraying for it soon. We still have had the accident with the T50. I had my shoulder separated. It's back in place now, but yeah, it's still not doing too well. So anyway, we're gonna get all that going, and we will keep you guys updated. And got another little chicken. Anyway, if you're not watching our content, please like, subscribe, follow us on YouTube, TikTok. I don't know what all the rest of them are, LinkedIn, all that fun stuff. Thanks, guys.